Everyone, a special thank you to Patrick in Madison, Connecticut. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed in quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Patrick's Goliath II. This is the larger eye size of the two. The Goliath one is a 58 eye size. This is what I affectionately call the windshield at 62 millimeter eye size. And it is the Ultra and appropriately named Goliath. It has been seen in movies such as Casino by De Niro and Pacino. What was the movie Pacino? If anyone can remember, write it down in the comment section. But this frame sells for $299 and comes with one free pair of clear prescription, or in Patrick's case, non-prescription lenses. He got non-prescription Zeiss Blue Protect Anti-Glare. I've highlighted the packets. 000 is no prescription, affectionately known as Plano. The Zeiss Blue Protect, the packet for the right lens, the packet for the left lens. He's going to get everything from Goliath, including the barcode they put on the bag, size 62, bridge of 20, temple length of 150. These are distributed by Ultra Palm, the makers of Cazal. Which Cazal? That Cazal. And of course you get the leather slip-in case from Goliath that the glasses will go into, the cleaning cloth, the original demo lenses that came out of the frame. And of course, you're going to get one of my premium microfiber cleaning cloths with instructions not only on how to care for your frame and lenses, but how to care for all the cleaning cloths in case, so it too will last you for years. As well as a selfie request. Patrick, I'd love to have a selfie of you rocking these things. You can also even leave a product review now when you get these and let everyone know what the glasses were like and your experience shopping with freeprescriptionlenses.com. So if you have any questions, just go to the contact me page of the website. You can email me directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. If you need to have a live question answered, call 919-491-2411, and Jigsaw, who is the web developer and my apprentice, will answer them for you in whatever language you want to use. He's good like that. He is the hardest working puzzle piece in the box. That's why I call him Jigsaw, because he was my missing piece of the puzzle, my jigsaw puzzle, when I was getting my company started, or growing, when I was getting it growing, so to the potential that it really could be. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Patrick in Madison, Connecticut, thank you so much for the purchase of the Goliath Ultra 2, the 62 eye size, and shiny black. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to see the different Goliath sizes and colors. You can just click on the link below. And again, thank you for your purchase. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.